Imagine a world with no predators, no disease, no freezing winters, and an unlimited supply of food and water. A literal utopia. If you put a society inside this perfect world, you would expect it to thrive forever. But when scientists actually built this paradise, it resulted in total extinction. Every single resident died, and not one of them was killed by starvation or disease. This is the story of Universe 25, and it proves exactly why your brain is completely unequipped to handle a perfect life. In the late 1960s, a researcher named John Calhoun wanted to know what happens when all the friction is removed from life. He built a 9-foot square enclosure. It was an absolute marvel of engineering. Walk-up apartments. Climate control. Endless resources. It was designed to hold nearly 4,000 mice in perfect comfort. Calhoun dropped 4 males and 4 females inside and shut the lid. For the first year, it was a miracle. The mice explored, claimed apartments, and multiplied. The population doubled every 55 days. But around day 315, the population hit 600. The enclosure was nowhere near its physical capacity, but psychologically, it was already breaking down. In the wild, when a population grows, young males leave to conquer new territory. In Universe 25, there was nowhere to go. Every social role was filled. The young males had no territory to claim and no females to court. They had absolutely nothing to do. They gathered in the center of the enclosure and gave up. When attacked, they wouldn't even fight back. They just absorbed the damage. Meanwhile, without the males defending the territory, the mothers collapsed under the stress. Mothers began abandoning their young. They forgot which offspring belonged to them. The infant mortality rate skyrocketed to 90%. The physical structure of the utopia was perfectly intact, but the social fabric was dead. But the most disturbing part of the experiment wasn't the violence. It was the generation that came next. The surviving offspring grew up in a world where society had already collapsed. They didn't know how to fight, they didn't know how to court, and they didn't know how to socialize. So they simply didn't try. They ate. They slept. And they groomed themselves obsessively. Calhoun named them the beautiful ones. They had perfect, unscarred fur because they never engaged in a single conflict. Physically, they were flawless. Functionally, they were completely dead. They opted out of the species entirely. On day 920, the last mouse was born. After that, the colony slowly aged and died out, surrounded by unlimited food. When this study was published, the world panicked. People thought it proved that comfort kills us. But that wasn't Calhoun's actual conclusion. The utopia didn't fail because the mice had too much food. It failed because it destroyed their purpose. When the population grew faster than the supply of meaningful roles, the society shattered. Humans are no different. We are not wired for a life of zero friction. Without a role to fill, a challenge to overcome, or a purpose to fight for, we become just like the beautiful ones, isolating ourselves, consuming endlessly, and protecting our peace while slowly decaying inside. A perfect life won't save you. It will destroy you. The only way to survive is to actively seek out hard things, build new roles for yourself, and embrace the friction. Because comfort isn't the goal. Purpose is.